What's happening, folks? We're going run! PT Captain! Pause! Ask him if he's got any baseballs in there. Yeah, I fucking doubt it. Yes, sir. This was perfect timing, bro. Look at this. Just now getting the new parts. Perfect timing.
Something special.
Something special?
Yeah, I'm hoping the tuner's in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie.
I hope so. I'm not gonna lie. We in that truck, boy. We couldn't have got here. More perfect timing.
Yeah.
That shit looks dope as fuck.
From the way that it did look.
Fuck yeah. Now, you know what I think for my I think for that motherfucker.
My man got some new Go Fast parts, but he won't tell nobody what it is. He want to make it a big secret. Like, we don't know it's an exhaust material anymore. I'm the only one that knows exactly what it is, though.
That money shit right there.
Oh, that your chain?
Yeah.
Hey, Luke, will you cut that down?
I swear that's how you update the new tuner for all the new tuners that they come with.
It's gonna be rowdy now, hopefully.
I hope so.
We better find out.
That's what I'm saying. You finna put it on now?
I mean, I got the time to.
I'll go home tomorrow.
I'm gonna see this bad boy.
Me too. Come on, you gonna let us know what it is? Yeah, you gotta tell the camera, man. People want to know.
See with your eyes.
Let's see with your eyes.
I swear.
It's crazy to think that that one piece is so expensive.
Shit, $500.
Hey, you
Right.
pay to play.
All day.
Or this little bitty box, another $500.
That'd be quick. Out right here. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah.
Oh, and you got the second one.
Dude, I'm more excited about the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
You have to download the maps off of their website though.
No, this one came preloaded.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So it's straight plug and play.
Yeah. It's really.
That's fucking nice.
Let me get it.
The inside of that bitch.
My shit's all fucking hollow with this.
Bro, I'm coming over here to get my little selfie stick thing out the Jeep, right? Because it's still in there from the last time we went riding. And tell me why this motherfucker got a 5,000-pound dump trailer on the Jeep, toting this bitch around the yard, full of tires. Like, what? Hell no. This man's crazy. Crazy as hell. She ready for a tune now, Trace. Yes, sir. So look, finally got everything done. Got the HMF in there. Got the new brackets installed. Yes, sir. Now he's fixing to put the tune on here. We gonna crank it up and see how this bad girl runs.